Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add subtitles on Crunchyroll. So if you want to add subtitles on your Crunchyroll application and you do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to add subtitles on Crunchyroll, first of all, you must have Crunchyroll application installed in your mobile phone and you must have logged in to your Crunchyroll application. So if you have done both, you are good to go. Now go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll application. After you do that, you will be available with the home screen of your Crunchyroll application. Now what you gotta do is go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on the option, the third option, which is subtitles/CC language. Now go ahead and select the language whichever you are comfortable in, or whichever the language you want to see videos on Crunchyroll application. As I've selected English. Now after you select the language, go ahead and check in the boxes show closed captions. Go ahead and turn it on. After you do that, you are good to go. Now you will be available with subtitles on your Crunchyroll video. So that's how quick and easy it was. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye until then.